Khrc Human Rights Council (Khrc) and Khrc Youth Organization (KYO) vehemently condemned and reject the visit of Manipur Chief Minister Mr. Y. Khemchan to Kangpokpe and his reception by Khrc MLAs Nimcha Kipgen and Haukolet Kipgen. In a press note, Khrc stated that the visit is a cheap, shameful and divisive tactic to create confusion and project a false narrative of normalcy to the world. Asserting that the Khrc community completely rejects this political stunt, the organization claimed that the Khrc and Meitei communities have been totally separated since 3rd May 2023 by history, land, identity, buffer zones, ethnic boundaries and the blood of over 250 martyrs. It asked the Chief Minister to stop visiting Khrc areas, stating he has no moral or constitutional right to enter Khrc territory. In a separate press note, KYO took serious note of the visit and announcement concerning free movement along national highways. It appealed to Khrc leaders, civil society organizations and the public to carefully consider ground realities, existing security situations and civilian protection before supporting statements regarding unrestricted movement. KYO added that no individual or organization should cross any buffer or sensitive area without proper authorization, stating that any violation or attempt to provoke confrontation must be addressed through responsible authorities. KYO appealed to all Meitei, Khrc and Tangkhul community to respect existing security arrangements and avoid actions that could reignite tension.